Welcome to Pins and Things. My name is James on Kid Crafts. Today we are going to be making some Rice Krispie treats. First we're going to melt our butter, then we're going to pour in our marshmallows. Make sure to keep stirring the marshmallows until they're all melted. Now that's melted, now we'll put 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Go ahead and turn off your heat. Just pretend it's like a shovel and you have to dig really hard. Now we're gonna spray the pan. And spray your hands too. Use your hands to get it and pack it into your pan. And press on it so it can be able to cut it and make a little slice for yourself. Now while it's all pressed and ready, now we're gonna put it in the fridge. Now they're in the fridge for a half an hour. Now they're all ready. Come on down, kids! Ooh, does that look good, guys? Yeah. It's look good. Time to cut it out. This is Charlie's first time eating a Rice Krispie treat. Here's your Rice Krispie treat. It looks good. Thank you for watching. This is Kids Craft over here. If you want to see more Kids Crafts, over here if you want to see more of me, click on the beach house. Thank you for subscribe. Yummy.